Good morning, potential investors. My name is Lotus Lee, artist Lotus Lee. I'm a musician and a visual artist, but I am also a former medical laboratory scientist. And I'm an educator, and I'm trying to get interest in this particular project, which kind of had been sort of put by the wayside for at least 7 years. And that is my series MedTekkin, using my character avatar, Lilo the scientist. She's a lab rat. And her intention is to tell you about her job. She works in a medical laboratory as a medical laboratory scientist. And she loves to talk about her job and how what she does helps doctors and nurses do their jobs by helping patients heal in hospitals. And I worked with ASCP. I was an ASCP certified medical laboratory scientist. I trained at Barnes Jewish College of Nursing and Allied Health. I was the last and only student that year. But I also trained simultaneously through University of Missouri St. Louis. So I got 2 concurrent degrees, one from UMSL and a Bachelor of Health Science in 2007, and I also got my Bachelor of Science in Clinical Laboratory Science from Barnes Jewish College. And then they closed the college down, but they transferred all the nursing students to Goldfarb. And so I had the opportunity to work with a doctor by the name of Charles Eby, who was in charge of the hematology department at Barnes Jewish Hospital, which is a 1,000 plus bed level 1 trauma center. And so he hired me directly out of school to work in the hematology department. But I also worked as a trained generalist for SSM DePaul Hospital in St. Luke's. I loved my job. I retired from my job to become a full-time writer and artist in 2013. By then I had written 4 books. And so, and I had illustrated and written 2 children's books. And so my intention was always to bring my Lilo character to life. And my first real attempt to do that in this Kickstarter campaign is to do a series of 6 books, print illustrated books, which help educate older children about the specifics of health sciences. And so my series is going to start off with 6 books, each one concentrating in phlebotomy, hematology, blood bank, microbiology, chemistry, and immunology/HLA. And depending on what kind of sponsorship I can get and how quickly I can work, there may be more, including an animated series, because I have experience doing Adobe Character Animator animations. So if we can bring her to life, that may be possible to do. So this is my campaign. I'm going to see if I can get some insight and sponsorship specifically from the American Society of Clinical Pathologists, and run it by a couple of local universities that offer MedTech programs. And so I appreciate your time that you've taken to watch this video. And if you have any questions, you can contact me, and I hope to hear from you soon.